Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and today is video day. And today I'm coming to you with another 7-day, 5-minute cleaning challenge. Now, my pots and pan area has really gotten away from me. It's some things I need to discard and give to Goodwill. And so I thought I would use this 5-minute cleaning challenge to straighten up under here, take out what I'm going to give away, and get my pots and pans in order. Yes, it has gotten away from me. So if you're interested in seeing this video, guys, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, as you guys know, I did rearrange it and everything. I papered it, get it all cute, but I need to cut down on some pots. Now, I did get my over door hanging racks for my lids. So that is up there on both doors. See, I have one on both doors. Now, my issue is, since my husband purchased me the copper pot, it's hard to get him to let go of these red ones. But what I'm going to do, now I'm going to house the red one in the garage. You know, when holiday time comes, you need a lot of extra pots and pans to do your cooking. So that's why they are not being thrown away. I am definitely going to keep them and have them in the house. It's just too much under here right now, and I need to get some kind of organization to it. Now, for some reason, I have two of these. So one is in the dishwasher, and I just need to get some organization here. Let me shut up running my mouth. And I'm putting these three in the garage as well. End of my 5-minute cleaning challenge. I've straightened up the bottom shelf here. It's reachable when the other boilers come out of the dishwasher, which I will be turning back on when this video is over. They will go here. So guys, if you enjoyed my content, you know what to do, guys. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And also, guys, subscribe to my channel. And also, you know where that bell is down below. Click the subscribe button down below, and there's a bell next to it. Click that bell twice. That bell will notify you each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. My social media accounts should be listed here on the bottom of the screen and also down below in the description bar. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.